We are constantly on the lookout for new ways to make money online. We always spend a significant amount of time and effort to thoroughly study to ensure that not only we are able to earn money, but we will also be able to do so in the most convenient manner possible. I am well aware that there are a wide variety of different opportunities to profit. However, the way that I will show you today is quite simple. It's so simple that you've probably been doing it for a long time without even realizing it. And what I mean by this is that you can watch videos and earn from it. I understand that it may seem impossible, but it is actually possible for you to earn money simply by watching videos on the internet. This is what you must do. You should watch the video and stick with me until the end so that I can teach you exactly how to go about it, to the point that it will be a piece of cake by the time you're able to do it on your own, aside from the fact that I'll be walking you through the process. The next time you're considering making a purchase, you won't have to worry about whether or you'll not have enough money because you'll be earning money on a consistent basis almost every hour. And when you're ready, just sit back and watch the video. Don't skip any parts and pay great attention throughout the entire video. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start up. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that I'll be introducing to you today is called Zoombox. Type in zoombox.com on your browser search bar. Zoombox is a reward site that pays its users for doing things such as streaming videos, doing surveys, and completing offers. In addition to paying you in cash, they will also provide you with gift cards from a variety of well-known firms, indicating that this is a real and trustworthy service. As you scroll down the webpage, you can see that how this platform works. The first thing is that they want engagements. They are looking for participation in surveys as well as purchase of items and services from advertising on the website. Second, they seek to attract new members. They recruit individuals who are willing to accomplish a variety of activities, and then they compensate you for completing the duties you were assigned. Third, you participate in online activities. You complete surveys, fulfill offers, and view videos, and you will be compensated with cash and gift cards as well as other incentives. As previously stated, there are numerous ways to profit, but for the purpose of this video, we will solely concentrate on watching videos because it is something that you already do on a regular basis and because it will pay you the most money with the least amount of effort. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To get started, you must first create an account here. Fill out this form right here, type in your email address and password, and then click the sign up button. And you can also use your Facebook account or Google account to register for a faster sign up process. You will also need to verify yourself and complete the CAPTCHA puzzle. Once you've signed up, you must complete your profile. After that, you may take a look around the website where you will notice that they offer a diverse range of channels with a variety of different types of content. You should just choose the ones that are of interest to you. Later on, you will be able to begin watching the videos, but keep in mind that in order to earn money and accumulate points, you must watch the entire video. You may also move between channels so that you can always find videos to watch, which is another useful feature. Finally, you can pay out your points for cash or gift cards depending on your preference. As you can see here, there are free gift cards from the big companies that I've talked about earlier. Now you can see on your dashboard just beneath the large font name of the website, I want you to click on the button Watch. Here you can see a lot of different videos that you can watch at your leisure. Simply click on one of the links to be sent to a page where you may browse through a range of categories and videos on a variety of topics such as food, do-it-yourself, and random videos, among other things. You can also check out how many points you can gain for each category by scrolling down the page. Once you have selected a channel, you will be taken to a register page for that particular channel. All you have to do now is fill out the essential information so that you can create an account. This is really important because if you do not sign up and register on that specific website, you will be unable to earn any money. Now, here's a bonus tip. You can watch a bunch of other videos at the same time just by opening and using other tabs in your browser. Of course, you want to keep the volume as low as possible to avoid getting confused from different audios and also getting a headache. Everything is working hand in hand. If you have a slow internet connection, you can simply adjust the quality of the video to accommodate your situation. And if you're not sure how to accomplish that, all you have to do is click on the gear icon in the lower right corner of the video right here and then select 144 pixels from the menu. You shouldn't be worried about this because this will have no effect on the audio quality of the video. It will just reduce the video quality of the video. Additionally, we will be able to view as many videos as you like without negatively impacting the performance of your computer, because not only this will save your data, but it will also make the video play more quickly. And that's really all there is to it. Finally, all that is required is that you acquire enough points so that once you have earned enough, you will be able to convert them into cash or gift cards. As previously stated, if you have more time and believe that you can do more great deal, you can actually complete surveys and do offers for which you can make 85 cents up to even $5 in a single $10 transaction. Of course, you want to earn the most points and money as possible. So look for surveys and offers that provide the biggest payouts possible. And that's about it. You can easily earn cash by just watching videos and also completing surveys and offers. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.